Yawan jika bam yang plang festival kaban long ha ka atusan risau ha sau mat glenti shoban poi tersan bala penya daga senjuk mau plang.
Ka Department Mass Media jong ka St. Anthony's College Shillong hapo ka jingpet jingkmi jong ka teacher in charge ka Dr. Ita Wanda Saiborn bat kiwe kino hikai jong ka department ki khna jong ka 5th semester kila la ban pen I lagi sap prepare ha ka exhibition halor ka phang pedang ka Synrai. Ya kane ka exhibition la penlong ha conference hall jong ka college ha ka khat khandai tarik urisau arja arpulai. Hakane ka exhibition la saki ka jinglong bakerpang jong ka ayom Synrai na du ki jingkala rong ha ka mariang ka jingkala jong jingthau barit kum ungap pat kiwe la saki ru ka jingsnai ki jingriam da ki slading yap pat kiwe haka jo ka por da ka jingsngo iet kerpang ya kane ka ayom kilapen I badai ha ka ayom Synrai ba ki jingtong jingtap ki I bat ki don ru ki ba yap ban seilong ha ka wai pat ka por kane ka ayom kapen kan mau yang I ba ka jingem kam long ka ban ne sa nrei kan poi ka por ba kan let syak wai pat ka kala ka bapen kan mau ru yang I bangin em ya ka menta da ka jingman bat ka jing tresitom ban kerman pat ya ka lawai ka ba khamba Nakaliang Shillong Mail Kyrwoh ka Atiar ulayo banyakran ba ka dong hikai ka Dr. Saiborn ka balabatay halor ka ayom Synrai ba ka long ka jingpan kan mayangi ba ka don bon ki bangi la ban Pynwan dur ha ka Jingem ka ba man la ka sngi batru na ka jingkran na ki khana ki play shimbanta ha ka ni ka exhibition
kani ka exhibition tika de ka part jong ki khana jong ka subject jong ki ka de ka media appreciation te man ka por ngisi penmi bet ki long na ki khana kan aska kum ka project te hakani ka sien bet ni khana ki kwa ban le ka art exhibition te ka de ka sin ka baning kong tingin pa jule tengong to ko tangin ya le kan ngini pet kan position no te ka ngi ningkong do ngi per khat na mata ka theme ka kin ni tang ba habang since we are approaching autumn tingi ngi per khat kin yong in ada ka pareng mo tadin iwi khna ngong to ajing bet na pcm mo kumno ba pinya yu te iwi khna kin yong I khna vigorous yong nga mam kumno ngin ya ai na ka Kyrteng Synrai te baro khat ki astana de ka Kyrteng ting yong ka biang ba kata because kaya ha bat kan ka ayom jongi cheni ka ka por Synrai ka ngiyo I ka jing bon ka jing per ha ka mariang te kumta kan tingi te hadin dangalay idea kumta tingo nga tungin ya snano borokhat ka ban ya ha bat kan ka kapor Synrai nadu ka jing kinda du ki jing sma ting kidan king lang divide ki khana kan ki different team kan kidan ki khana ki ba le tang na menta ka jing sma tang ki jing sma ngi yo ha ka por Synrai kum ki sma ki autumn smell te ki ya collect kan te dan par ki ba sutanat ya ka sur tingo nga le no da ka sound kan lan ka sound ka kabun palan teng yong ngine concentrate tang na menta kan ka autumn teng ya divide biang kumta kan ki dan ki ba le tang ka jong ka city kan ka sound kay ibu pinyo akan ka port jong ka city baka kalakajan kalakala kibriyo kurukilay sedang banya yat sakman te kidan ki khna ki kelek ki sound jong ka barok ki ba per naka sor te hedin kidan par ki khna basa asya kham chi jingai na chelong tingo nga kelek no ki sur na ki sound ba piyo na sya nong kendong kan naki snong te kidan ki bila kumta te den nga pha ki ban chaklau ong kishim ki sound na chaklau kum ki sound te ki chakot ki sem ki kenyang kat ba piyo te kayat kumta din dan pat ki bastanat ban design tungo te ki wan yang akin ki ong le ngin le da ka ayu da ki sopti da tang bangin Pynwan da ki sla sudah tungo ka biang kataru te dan pat ki bakwa ban shan tungo nga shim da ki dor ki bukan mi menta ka ayom ka IP na ki so ki sentiu kumno ka scenery kalong ka mariang kalong ka ni ka por ka taru ngi penyo te ki dan pat ki bakwa ban sna jing sna te ki khamtam ki sculpture te ngi kham la kham kumno ban perkhat tamba hapor mga wat bah ban le research tengah la ba ki ayom kala mdi tangki bengi te ki la ki sculpture ki long ki kum ki kana tang ken jongi ki barem tengi pha lang ke Pynwan ka tu ka dur kan wan lang ka ju ka dur te kum ta ken te don pat ki basna one step ahead kum ki sna ki installation jong ki ken ki Pynwan dur no naka ba ki you inspired naka team na autumn tang ba ki sna pat compare pat ken ta te kum ta ter tengi mdi tang taru ngi dan I artist ru hakanika ayu hakanika exhibition so that bakan daladap hang ne ki balong inspired kila ban sna kan mendangi keren ya kan ka art barokhat kila ban sna art barokhat ngidan katsap barokhat ngidan katal bangin sna akanu kini ki kawai ka idea ru ka bangi kwa na kan ka exhibition kadai ban ne kamariang bangin pen jelor but kumno bangin pendan kam ki chu ki tiar ki baka amariang ka ngi ai biang kamariang to bring a sense of environmental consciousness but hindi tang kata but sustainability te hadin kata ru naka college kila bon kini ki habhapor ki one different department ti ki kwa ken ban kilai kini ki ong ken ki kwa ngin bu ha ki different as installation persanam ya ki Kyrteng jong kini khna but kini ki kam jong ki but kini ki artworks jong ki te hakata kerkom kini kanik ngi kwa ngin ai ki pajba ngi aki kwa ngin ai student but ngin encourage ki student ba nang nis khmat ba kini kai ba ki kwa kin le kala ba ban long dikidan ka passion dikidan ka dedication no but ka enthusiasm.
So hello, welcome to Synrai. So at first when we discussed about the idea of how we're going to put our art exhibition here, so it started first as a classroom work, but then later on we saw some scopes in the students in our batch. So we just randomly said that why not host an art exhibition with ma'am. So since that at that point, so we started thinking of ideas. And during the month of October only, so there was actually an exam coming. So we didn't have any plans or any time. The only thing we had was 2 weeks. So under 2 weeks, we sent our ma'am the report and what else we want to include in this art. So from there only we asked a team. We worked together, and about how this art installation has been put together. It's all the efforts of the students here, of our students, not only from the students of our batch, but also the previous seniors' work and also the juniors' work are also included in this exhibition. So the only thing I will say is that this could only be possible because everyone worked together. Thank you.
This exhibition, me along with my team, we made a honeycomb which has 6 frames, and in these frames we made a beehive, and we made bees with chart papers and all some of the wasted materials. We collected all of this and we made a beehive, and this beehive actually includes stages of the bee in autumn, and like the bee, how they collect honey, and how and also the queen bee is also present there. After collecting honey, then like in the autumn mostly the bees dies. So that's what we want to present in our art. Thank you so much.
Andy, your wife has been sitting there. She has been ready for a while now. Go for the test, son.
I'm already watching the test, Mom.
Son, it is important to take this test at the earliest.
Mom, why do we need to rush? What will happen even if we're late to take the test?
Look, son. You see, that is why it is important to reach on time. Go.
Within the first 3 months of pregnancy, it is important for the mother to get tested for HIV in order to prevent the baby from getting infected with HIV, so that the mother and the baby can live a healthy and long life.
Earlier the checkup,
Healthy life confirmed.
Get yourself tested for HIV during your first pregnancy checkup.